Hello everyone, this is Kiran and today we are going to talk about how to handle multiple windows in Selenium. So first of all, let's see what is multiple window setup. So on any web page, we can have windows which when we click can open in new tab or a new window altogether. So I'll show you a demo website. Let's say this is the website. So when we click on this new tab, it opens in a new tab on the same browser, and when we click on a button which leads us to a new window, so we can see that new browser instance is opening. So when a new instance new browser opens, it has a different session ID. So we have to know how to handle it, because by writing normal piece of code, we will not be able to reach to the window which has opened newly as a part of the automation. So we have to know how to do it. Now, the handling of this window happens by two methods. One is getWindowHandle and another one is getWindowHandles. So we'll talk about it in our code. So first of all, we have to start writing the code and see that how can we click on any link and which will open a new window, and how will we switch to that window and then access the elements inside it. So the getWindowHandles returns us the number of windows which opens up as a part of this code. So it is returning us a set of string. So what we can do, we can start writing the code. So here we are. I have created another class in our project, Selenium demo project, and inside that class I have named it as window handling and public static void main, and then WebDriver is equals to new Chrome driver, driver.manage.windows.maximize, and then driver.get. So driver.get will open the website which I want to automate. Now in the website we have to check that this click, new window click. So I can just write an XPath for this so that I can start automating. So when I let's quickly show you. So now I have to write the XPath for clicking on the new window. I can directly get it from selectors hub also, or write my own XPath, that doesn't matter. So this is the one related XPath I have copied. Now what I can do is I can go to my code and keep it here. Now let's write the driver.findElement by XPath. Then we paste the XPath here. So this is the click which we are going to do to open the new window. Now we have written this XPath and we will do a click on it, that is, it will actually open up the new window. But before that, let's find out the parent window ID. So how we can do driver.getWindowHandles, as we have seen in the notes. So if you write driver.getWindowHandles, window handles, handle, driver.getWindowHandle. This will return us the parent window. Now we can save it into, this will return me the parent window ID. So we can save it into a string type of variable, string parent. Let's say string parent is equals to driver.getWindowHandle, and for confirming we can just do a sysout and check what is the parent window. System.out.println let's write the parent window is plus parent. So this will return me the parent window. Now when we click on the locator here, when we click on this web element, it will open up a new window. Now since we are clicking on a new window, it will open up a new window, so we should know the number or total number of windows opened. So we can get that by writing driver.getWindowHandles getWindowHandles. Okay, driver.getWindowHandles, and it will be returning us a set of string. So we have to save it into a variable of set of string. So it will be set string all windows is equals to driver.getWindowHandles. Now we can also count the total number as int count is equals to all windows dot size. Okay. So using this we can count the total number of windows dot size. So once it is calculated, we can apply, or we can print, first of all let's print the total number of windows. System.out.println total window is equals to count. Okay, total window is equals to count. Now once this is printed, we can apply a for loop to check that if all we have to match it with the parent window, that if it is not the parent window then open it. So what we can do, we can apply an enhanced for loop for string child all windows if we have to apply a condition here. If parent, we'll have to apply not operator. If parent is not equals to child, we can ignore the case. Ignore case. If it is not equal to, then switch to it. So child is child, then driver.switchTo.window.child. Let's do it. So we'll be switching to it if it is not equal to the parent, and if it is equal to, then it will check the next window. Now here we can perform, if once it has went to the child window, we have to perform some action, set of actions there. So let's say if when we're clicking on this, it is opening up a new window. So here we can do some steps. Let's say we can get the text of this. So I can just find out the XPath for this. So I'm just going to right click, inspect element. So this is the, I can get the XPath directly from selectors hub. Okay. Going back to the code. So let's write a piece of code to get the text. Driver.findElement by XPath. Here we can write that XPath. Control X. Now, so we want to get the text for inside it. So we don't want to, we just can do get text, and we can save it into a string type of variable, string text, and we can print this, sys out this. Text inside child window. The text inside child window is text, so it will be printed. Now after this we can just close the window. So we will be writing driver.close. We will not write driver.quit, because if I write driver.quit, it will close the parent window also. So I just want to close the child window, and once it is closed, I can come out to the parent window and perform some actions there. So driver.switchTo .window, then parent. Okay, so after coming here, I can do some stuff here. Maybe I can just find out the title of the page and print it. So system.out.println, system.out.println, title of parent window is driver.getTitle. Here on the current cursor, driver.getTitle. So let's run the code and see what happens. Here we go. Okay, there's a spelling mistake, there's a compilation error, because I have written drive here instead of driver. So I have to just clarify that, Control S, and I think everything looks good so far. Let's run it. Okay, so we can see here the Chrome browser will open. Yeah, it will open up the browser or the URL which I have mentioned here. Now it is opening it. Then after that it will click on the new window. It will open up a new window and it will perform some actions, which is reading the text printed on the console, come back to the parent and find out the title of the page. So I think it should have so the code executed perfectly fine. So where we can see that parent window ID is this, it is mentioned long ID, then total number of windows is to 2 right now only. The text inside child window is this is a sample page, the window which opened when we clicked on the new window page. This one, not this one, sorry, this one, this new window. So here is this text inside it, and the title of the parent window, which is the main window, this one is mentioned as, in the console you can see, demo QA. So you can check it here also, it is demo QA. Here we go, here demo QA. So it's correct. So that's how our code executed. This is a single window handling, parent child window handling. So that's all for now. We'll meet in the next session for more videos. Till then, bye bye.